Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.